Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Bluetooth device isn't pairing with your Amazon Kindle. First of all, try restarting your device, especially if you just started using it. You need to restart it once just to make sure that the initial update is installed on your device. To restart your Kindle, you have to hold down the power button until you see this options menu, then select restart right here and wait until your device is restarted. After you restart your tablet, you have to go to all settings on your device, then open Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enable your Bluetooth device, Bluetooth adapter, and then make sure to put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. Now, to do that, usually you have to either hold down the home button or the power button for a specific amount of time, or you have to perform some click combinations on it. Generally, to check out what exactly you need to do with your Bluetooth device to enter the pairing mode, you have to check the manual to it. And after that, select Bluetooth devices on your Kindle, select your Bluetooth device, and you should be successfully connected to it. Now, if this doesn't help you, then swipe down the control center, enable airplane mode, then disable it after a couple of seconds and let your networks refresh and try pairing with your Bluetooth device again. If you are already paired with your Bluetooth device but cannot connect to it, open Bluetooth devices list, select your Bluetooth device right here, then forget it, and then reselect it from the list. If this doesn't help you, then you should go back and try updating your device manually. To do so, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Go to device options, select software updates right here, and check if your device has any updates to install. And after that, you should be able to successfully connect with your Bluetooth device. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.